A super easy way to have PayPal money sent to your PayPal account every single day. That's what I'll be showing you in today's video, coming right up. What's good, YouTube? My name is Tay, and welcome back to the channel. I make weekly videos on entrepreneurship and other money-making opportunities online. Before we get started, guys, make sure you hit that subscribe button and click on that notification bell so you can stay up to date and never miss your opportunity to make money online. Okay, guys, so today I want to cover a couple of survey sites where you can actually make a decent amount of money. Now, I know what you're thinking. Surveys are garbage and you can't make any money with them. But guys, listen to me. The sites that I have for you today actually pay out. And if you stick around to the end of the video, I'm going to show you a few tips that'll help you keep the surveys coming so you can keep that income coming to your PayPal account. Now, the first site that I want to talk about is a site called Crowdology.com. As I mentioned earlier, it's a site where you get paid to take surveys. But unlike other survey sites, you have a wide variety of topics you can get surveys for, which will make it easier for you to find a survey that you're interested in. Now, another thing that Crowdology offers that most other survey sites don't is that they don't offer you a point system. Every survey that you do on Crowdology provides you straight cash. None of that nonsense where you have to figure out a points to cash conversion rate. Now, when it comes to how much you make on the site, they say you can earn up to $10 per survey, but most of the surveys that I've seen on this site usually fell between $4 and $5, which still isn't bad for the amount of time that it takes to complete these surveys. Now with Crowdology, the surveys usually take between 2 and 15 minutes to complete. If you look at other survey sites and apps, you'll find that you'll be doing surveys for like 30 minutes to 45 minutes, and you'll only be getting a few cents at the end of each survey. You won't find that here on this site. Crowdology pays out via PayPal, and Crowdology is available worldwide. Something else a little different about Crowdology that you won't find with other survey sites is that they offer up competitions where you can win weekly prizes. So it would be a good idea to check out Crowdology from time to time. All right, that's a quick rundown of the website. Let's hop right over my computer so you can actually see the website and I can show you how to get started. So jumping into the website, you can see that they give you a little bit of information about the site, how the site works, how they pay out, that sort of thing. You can take a minute to read through it if you like, but the site pretty much functions like every other survey site. Signing up is fairly simple. Sign up, fill out some basic information, and check your email for a confirmation, and you're good to start. Now, once your account is set up, I want to pull your attention for a second. You see that profile tab? It's absolutely important that you answer every question that they ask you. Not only that, but make sure you add a little variety to your answers. See, here's the thing. Most people, when it comes to these surveys and filling out their profiles and questionnaires, will sidestep certain questions because they don't want to share certain information. Or if they are answering everything, they tend to stick with the same basic answers and same basic interests. Be diverse on these questionnaires. The more questions you answer, or the more diverse you are with your answers, the higher the chance you have of getting more surveys sent to you. Now, let's move on to the next site. The next site is called Prize Rebel. Prize Rebel, again, is a site where you do surveys, but they also have other little tasks like watching videos and that sort of thing. The interesting thing about Prize Rebel is that unlike most other sites, you actually get paid more for the surveys than you do for watching video ads. And now, the one downside to Prize Rebel is that they do use the point system. But it's easy to convert the points into how much you will earn cash-wise because it's a 1-to-1, meaning 1 point equals 1 cent. I'm not really a fan of the point system, but again, like I said, this one is fairly simple to convert. And when you see what the surveys are worth, you'll see that a lot of them have higher points to them versus having lower points to them. Now, one thing that is different about Prize Rebel is the fact that they have what I'm calling survey outlets. Most survey apps and sites require you to wait for an email, and then you have to hurry up and compete for an opening spot. You don't have to do this with Prize Rebel. The way it works with Prize Rebel is there's basically a list of companies, and with that list of companies is a list of surveys that come with each company. So if you're going through one of the companies and the surveys aren't working for you or you don't like them, you can go ahead, click on another link to another company, and then go through their surveys and take their surveys. Prize Rebel is only accessed via website, but is also available worldwide, just like Crowdology. Okay, so I gave you the quick details. Let's jump onto my computer and see how Prize Rebel works and how you can get started. Okay, so here's Prize Rebel's site, and as you can see, you're greeted with the sign-up page from the start. Once you sign up, just like any other survey site, you'll be asked to confirm your email. Once that's done, you'll come to this page where, as I mentioned earlier, you'll see the different companies offering surveys. Now, remember, you don't have to wait for an email to get a survey. You choose a company right here, and as soon as you pick one, you'll get a questionnaire. Fill out the questionnaire, and afterwards, they will give you surveys based on your answers. Now, remember what I said earlier. Make sure you fill out these questionnaires completely and be diverse with your answers. Next to each survey, you'll see how many points each survey is worth. Remember, 1 point equals 1 penny. Now, the somewhat good thing is that most surveys are higher than 50 cents and they don't take long to complete. Okay, so here are 2 legit sites that will pay you to do surveys, and you can see PayPal money every single day in your account. While it's not going to make you tons of cash, it's a great way to put a little bit of extra side cash in your pocket. Well, that's all I got for today. If you found this video useful, then do me a favor and hit that like button. Also, share this out with anybody who you think may find this useful, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Guys, links will be down below. Thanks for watching, and I will catch y'all in the next video. Take care.